YouTube, it's your boy John again, man. I got a new video for you guys today. This is going to be something that's a teaching class, same as a tutorial for the ones out there. You know, it's coming time to get your vehicle inspected. Women, ladies, men, young, teenage boys, girls, whoever it may be. This going to give you guys some tips, some things you can do to get ready for inspection. So when you take it to the garage, all jokes aside, you don't get taken. I hear it all the time. Had a church member of mine mention to me just a little while ago. Like, I do have a associate degree by trade in mechanics and auto body. I did lots of inspections in my time, so to speak, but not a certified state inspector, but I done them. Long story short, as far as that goes, so I know it's what it's expected in our state of Pennsylvania. I can't speak for other states, but I would think the same thing remain at other places, so to speak, as far as that goes. All right. So then again, if you have not followed my channel, you probably saw my new 300C car out there. I put out there on video yesterday. It's getting great views. Let's get this video up to 50,000 likes, 60,000 views. Be awesome, be great. And like I said, I'm definitely a true Mopar guy. You can see the hat says last call, Chrysler 300C. I had these hats custom made as far as that goes. So if you haven't followed my channel, subscribe, comment. The thumbnail, of course, is my new channel. When you look at it, it has Hemi for Real 77 with my 300C in the background. That's the thumbnail I told you guys I'm going to send to you guys, okay? Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing turned around. Hopefully I can turn this around. Oh, boy. Got to figure out how I'm going to do that part. Oh, boy. All right, 1 second.